This is the Lello Musso Pola 5030 dessert maker in silver. It can make up to 2 quarts of extra creamy ice cream, frozen yogurt, gelato, or sorbet. There is one knob to set the timer and 2 switches. One switch controls the on-off of the blade, and one turns on the compressor. This machine is relatively compact for a starter commercial ice cream machine. It has a compressor that takes away the need to freeze any canister separately. This machine can run continuously and can make up to 8 quarts an hour. The container itself includes a blade, screw knob, and plastic cover. To disassemble, take off the plastic cover, turn on the screw knob until it comes loose, and lift off the blade. To reassemble, put in the blade, turn on the screw knob until it is tight, and put on the plastic cover. To run the machine, add up to 1.5 quarts of ice cream mix into the canister. Turn on the timer to 15 minutes. It will stop early if it is done, and flip both switches to on. The machine will stop when the ice cream mix gets too thick to mix. Ideally, you want to keep an eye on it and stop the machine before it comes to this point. Take the ice cream out and put it into a freezer as soon as possible for at least 2 hours. The cleaning is the toughest part of this machine. Since there is no insert, you have to clean the machine itself. I start by removing the cover, knob, and blade. These can go into the sink for hand washing. Next, clean out the machine with a wet, clean towel. You can add a little bit of soap to the towel as well. Rinse out the towel and repeat the process until the canister is clean from the ice cream mix. You can use a clean towel to dry out the inside. Now your machine is ready to run another batch of ice cream again. If you want to make amazing milk chocolate ice cream bars, check out this next video.